What's up, everybody? It's me, Miss T, and thanks for checking out the Oziki TV. Tonight we're in for another finger-licking treat. So without further ado, let's get into this menu. Okay, so boom, we have some snow crab legs. Ugh, we are plentiful on that. Some shrimp. The shells are on. And we have some nostalgia sauce, of course. So with that being said, let's not wait. Let's not hesitate. Let's get it cracking, okay? I hope you are doing well. Happy summer. I hope your summer's off to an amazing start. Ooh, juicy. I do good. Because this summer has been summering so far. Let's hope these can make up in flavor what they lack so far in size. That's good. Now, Ooh. So gosh, where do we begin? Let's see. I believe we have already discussed that happened. It went well. My thing is hotels. Don't say it comes with a kitchen if it doesn't have a stove. Okay. I literally was looking and staring into the kitchen. They were like, something is not right. Something is terribly wrong over there. And it was weird because they had bowls, cups, forks, spoons, knives. Even a colander was in there, right? A microwave, refrigerator. And I mean a full refrigerator, like with a freezer. With a freezer. But there was no stove. So I'm like, well, now wait a minute. This thing really put up a fight. But it's good. So, it changed my plans a little bit. It definitely put a little wrench. Okay. Little wrench. Called the little wrench. But everything turned out so great. So great. Everybody was happy. This is good, y'all. This is really good. Everybody was happy. Getting along. Having a great time. And that's really all you want. That's all it's about. People that love and care about you and your happiness coming together and celebrating, you know, your addition to the family. Getting into this sauce, y'all. Ooh. Now, I know I did not get to do a few things I wanted to do, but at the same time, I think They're real pleased with how it was. Everything came together. The food was amazing. Desserts, amazing. Favors, we did our big one. Amazing. Like, everything was really great. Everything was really great. So I'm really excited for that. I'm so glad that we were able to go. But I really hope that did not get on my computer. These are juicy. What can I say? Hey. Ooh, ooh, sauce is hot. It's okay, it broke off, but it will still be good. You know it will. What was I saying? Oh, yes. Oh, the way up was fine. Fabulous. The way back. Whew. I mean, everybody had construction. Everyone. Construction. What's your function? It was a lot going on. I was like, why are y'all like this? I mean, it was wild. It was absolutely wild. At any rate, ooh. Ooh. So I have to just, boop, pop it up. Pop it up. Here's the last bite, and here's to you. Delicioso, okay? It was amazing. And it will be just as good tomorrow. Thanks so much for checking out DNSKI TV. I thoroughly enjoyed this meal, but not as much as I enjoyed your. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment beneath this video. I would love to hear from you. Hit the notification bell as well, wherever it may be, so you know the next time a new video uploads. And as always, in the meantime, in between time, you take care of yourself. And I'll see you right back here at DNSKI TV. Thanks for watching. Bye.